Hey, my name's Travis Borg. I'm from Somerset, Kentucky. This is my 69 GMC. I've had it for a few years now, but this was my grandfather's truck. He bought it new. It came from the Charlie Bell Pontiac dealership in Somerset. My grandfather had a little country store, and they kept it inside, only drove it into Somerset a few times, you know, once a week or something, to buy groceries, hardware, things like that to sell in their little store. Doesn't have a lot of miles on it, got around 80,000 now, maybe 81,000 by the time we get back to Somerset, Kentucky. But my grandfather passed away when I was, well, probably before I was born actually, and my grandmother, she didn't drive it too much. It's got no power brakes, no power steering. Still got the carburetor on it, so you can imagine the little old lady didn't put many miles on this truck. She gave it to my uncle. He had it in Lexington, Kentucky, which is a little bit bigger city. He was a little concerned about sitting in traffic and, you know, the thing trying to load up with the carburetor and stuff, so he was a little worried about driving it. Didn't put many miles on it either. And then he offered it to me one evening after Thanksgiving dinner or Christmas dinner, asked me if I was interested in it. Of course, I jumped on it. You know, I love this truck my whole life.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I'll show you under the hood. So it's still got the 307 it came with. Everything's still mostly original under here. I put tried to wrap the fuel line there. We went on a power tour one year, and it does try to vapor lock in traffic, but it's not too bad. I haven't had it completely quit on me. The idle does pull down a little bit, so it's a little concerning. I can see why my uncle was a little afraid to drive it. But we had to put an aluminum radiator in it before power tour. We were afraid the old one wasn't going to hold in there. It was leaking a lot on the tank, and we were keeping it topped off, you know, local rides. Wasn't too bad, but we did have to upgrade that. Otherwise, it's still same way it was, you know. Still got
it was the inside. Did the inside come like that?
The inside is exactly like it is now. It's got the original paint. This is the turquoise color with the turquoise custom interior that came in these. The seat cover was a little ragged, so we did have it replaced. SMS Auto Fabrics still remakes this same fabric in the same colors. That is the original seat cover that place in Harrodsburg called Auto Customs makes those consoles, and they used my original seat cover to remake that, so you can see how close it is to the original. Still got the old AM radio in it. Didn't come with a headliner or anything. We've got these stickers that we've converted to magnets from places that we've been in the truck, so kind of remember where all we've gone to. Still got some of the old insurance stickers from the 80s there. Inspection stickers on the front. I didn't peel anything off of it. One thing to notice is that the original factory paint, they didn't take a lot of care in painting these things. The white spot is from when they painted the top. That drip dropped down there on the floor and is on top of the turquoise color. And if you look across the firewall, there's a run all the way across it where they sprayed it heavy under the hood.
Oh, you still got the markings on the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still got the, well, the floor mat was turquoise to begin with, but it's wore down to black in most of the places. This truck was built in Canada. I did see that. When we had the seat out to have it recovered, you had the Canadian tags on the back of the seats, and the VIN number shows it was built in Canada. And, we've put a lot of miles on it. We've been on tailgate tour twice already and signed up to go again. Been on power tours.
I did. I went to the power tour in Indy.
Yeah.
Wow. Just wow. When they said 6,000.
Still got the original plate that it came on it. The 69 6,000 pound license plate.
Huh.
On the first tailgate tour, we nearly lost this hubcap here. If you follow Yale Buddy Garage, he got it on video. He was 2 cars behind me when that come off going across the railroad track, and they stopped and found it for me. I've been looking for an extra since to try to, if I do lose that, I'll have another, but it's held on there since then. Put a lot of miles on. Still got a little bumps and scratches down the side from just regular wear and tear over
Wow.
the years and age-old repairs.
Oh, it's in amazing shape.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I greatly appreciate you taking a few minutes of your day to tell me about it.
Yeah, I love telling the story about it. I think the story's probably cooler than the truck is. But we just get out and try to enjoy it.
Yeah, always love a good story.
Yeah.
Thank you much.
Thank you.